Good evening. I'm Dr. Emmett Brown. I'm standing on the parking lot at Twin Pines Mall. It's Saturday morning, October 26, 1985, 1:18 a.m. And this is temporal experiment number 1. Come on, Heine. Hey, boy, get in there. Now, boy. In you go. Sit down. Put your seatbelt on. That's it. Whoa. Okay. Please note that Einstein's clock is in precise synchronization with my control watch. Got it?
Right, checked on.
Good. Have a good trip, Einstein. Watch your head.
Get that thing hooked up to the car.
Watch this.
Yeah, okay. Got it.
Got me, the car! My calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.